Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Good
Yes, sir.
afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
All of you, good afternoon. See, last class,
Good afternoon, sir.
they will give one matrix. From there, they'll ask find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So from there, what we find first using characteristic equation, I got the eigenvalues. I didn't told that actually I didn't tell anything about the eigenvectors. Today we see how to find eigenvector. Up to eigenvalues I came, I'm going to find eigenvector. How to attack eigenvector. Just you can continue. First problem what we have done, tell me. We got eigenvalues 1 3 minus 4. What is that A? See, we done one matrix A is equal to something. I got the eigenvalues 1 3 minus 4. What is that? Tell me what is A? Lambda 2 minus 13 lambda plus 12 is equal to 0 I got. Remember or not? Are you there or
Yes,
not?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is that A? You can tell me.
Sir, it was 220.
What?
Sir, the matrix, right?
Matrix I got.
Sir, first row was 220, second was 211, and third was minus
Wait,
7
wait,
2
I'm,
minus
wait,
3.
wait, wait, I'm coming.
Yes.
Tell me.
Sir, first row was 220.
220.
Yes, sir.
Then
211,
211.
minus 7 2 minus 3.
Minus 7 2 minus 3. Correct? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From this what we done? Lot of things we done actually. To find eigenvalues I written CH equation. Determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Then what I told, you can write A minus lambda is equal to determinant. Sorry, it's not a matrices. On diagonal you can do minus lambda. 2 minus lambda 2 0 2 1 minus lambda 1 minus 7 2 minus 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Then later what I told, if you have like this equation, you can write lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0. From there what I got, what is my s1? 0. Trace s1 is what? These all are we completed actually, taken for granted. The same problem we are starting. Then S1 is equal to A11 plus A22 plus A33 is equal to 0. S2 what is so told? Minus of the diagonal elements. What is my S2?
M11 plus M22 plus M33.
What?
Sir, M11 plus M22 plus M33.
Yes, M11 plus M22 plus M33. This is what I got there actually, minus 13. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Minus 13.
Minus 13.
Right, sir.
These all have been not taken for granted. S3 is equal to what? Determinant of A. Determinant of A I got minus 12 I think so. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, if you come back and substitute what you got, lambda 2 minus 13 lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. After method of induction, put lambda is equal to plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 itself it satisfies lambda is equal to 1 is 1 root. So I can able to write lambda minus 1 into something. So that something what I got tell me lambda minus 1 is directly I am writing. This is what I got actually. Directly I will write lambda minus 3. So lambda is equal to what? 1, 3 minus 4 are characteristic roots. Already I told you, eigen meaning characteristic. Eigen values means what? Characteristic. It's a span actually. So characteristic roots are eigen values. Both are the same. Last, we have done up here, okay? Any problem? Any problem?
No, sir. Clear.
Clear up here, clear.
No, sir.
Now we are stepping into the same problem. How I start? Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So half of the problem I found. Now to find eigenvector, right? Now this up to here clear, shall I above?
Yes, sir. Please.
Matrix, if I ask again, you can tell me. I am rubbing actually. To find eigenvector, what we will do? A minus lambda into x is equal to 0. This x also matrix, A minus lambda also matrix. Right? Now, tell me what is my A minus lambda matrix? It's not a determinant. Carefully tell me. 2 minus lambda, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus lambda, 1, minus 7, 2, minus lambda. This x I will take x1, x2, x3. These x1, x2, x3 are the eigenvectors. One particular lambda I will have.
So your video is not clear.
What?
So your video is not clear.
Sir, your video is very blurred, sir.
Now okay?
Not clear, sir.
No,
I am
sir.
able to see my video in my laptop.
So we aren't.
Sir, the network problem, I guess, sir, from your side.
Okay. Now we see. Up to you can write. Now my aim is what? I want to find x1, x2, x3 when lambda is equal to 1, when lambda is equal to 3, when lambda is equal to 4. Up to you can copy down. To find eigenvector, what you will do? A minus lambda into x is equal to 0. Copy down. Where x is what? x1, x2, x3. A minus lambda already know. These two are the matrices. Characteristic equation means it's a determinant. Don't confuse this and that. Come on, copy down fast. Copied.
1 second,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy down, copy down, no problem. Now this you can keep as a one equation. Why I will tell you. Some ER something you can do.
Done, sir.
Right. Okay. Now A you can remember always. Now right. To find eigenvectors, what I am telling A minus lambda into x is equal to 0. Now, what is my first eigenvalue? Lambda is equal to 1. You can put lambda is equal to 1, what you will get? What you will get? Put lambda is equal to 1 in the A, in equation A, what will get?
Sir, 1,
1,
2,
2,
0,
0, 2,
2, 0, 1,
yes,
minus 7, 2, minus 4.
minus 2,
2,
2,
minus 4.
Minus 4, minus 4.
now multiply 3 equations you will get. Come on, what are the 3 equations? Tell me.
Sir, x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. Two x1 plus x3 equal to 0. Minus 7x1 plus 2x2 minus 4x3 equal to 0.
Okay. Now actually this already got in homogeneous equation matrix is already you studied something 0. Equation should be 0, 0, 0. So a trivial solution is what? X1, X2, X3, 0 means obviously you will get that solution called trivial solution. You have to find non-trivial solutions. That is different story in your plus 2 level. Here how we will do is what? If you see, take any two different equations. If they take same equation means you cannot get. Obviously you will get x1 0, x2 0, x3 0. Why I will tell you. Take any two different equations. Suppose x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. Another equation 4x1 plus 6x2 means both are multiples of first equation means don't take actually. You take always different equations. Here three are different, no problem. Sometimes what you will get, maybe you will get like this. It may appear three equations, but actually they are not three equations. See how I got x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. First equation, if I multiply by 5 means what I will get second equation. First equation multiply by 7 means what I will get the third equation. Actually one fellow is coming in three different shapes. Only one fellow available in different dresses is coming. But here not like this. Three are the different fellows. Correct or not? So while doing the carefully can do like this means that is different story. I will tell you when it will come out. I will tell you. Now it's not a big deal. Here all three are different. Take any two equations. Take any two equations. Correct? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
So if three different means what? Take any two equations. Listen first. Don't copy down. The equation A you can remember. Take any two equations. You can write here x1, x2, x3. I am taking 1 and 2 equations. These two equations. Now x1 coefficient is what in first equation?
1, 1, sir.
X2 equation?
2.
X3 0. Second equation if you take this one 2, 0, 1. Now actually in your lower standard, in 10th standard CBSE, if you miss what rule of cross multiplication, you can start with the second coefficient, then constant, then first coefficient, then second coefficient. I don't want tell actually. That is time waste process. Directly you will get x1 below you can write x1 coefficients, x2 coefficients you can write x2, x3 coefficients you can write x3. But while doing strictly you can do. Then how I will write? See. What here?
So
Yes,
if we
sir.
solve the equation,
sir.
we can get the value of x1, x1,
No.
x3.
See, take any two different equations, sir. X1, x2, x3. Anyway, you have x1, x2, x3, no? Coefficients you can write. I want to find x1, x2, x3. Correct?
So if we solve the equations, all three, then
Yes, you will get actually. But always it's not easy.
okay.
Better this method you can follow. Linear equation is what? You will solve directly, or rule of cross multiplication is there. Lot of things are there. Substitution method is there. In one method I am telling is the best method. Correct? Huh?
Okay, sir. Understood.
That is also there actually. You will get, see, solving it's not a big deal. Anyway, you will get. But this method you can follow. Now, here 3 equations you cannot solve. Headache actually. Is equal to 0 means what? 3 equations you have to solve. I am taking only 2 equations. I am taking and talking. I am not talking about third equation. When, if 3 fellows are different, I will take any 2 equations. Coefficients you can write. Now you can write x1 by minus x2 by, this is very, very important. For second you can do minus x2. Then x3 by x3 by x1 means what you will do? Leave this x1 fellows. Leave this x1 fellow. Now what will get? AD minus BC. What is the answer? Tell me. X1 means leave x1.
2.
Same story only. In your lowering standard, what you will start, you know. X1 is what? The second coefficient start. Next, second constant. First coefficient, second coefficient you will write. But in one stroke, I am telling. Correct? X1 means what? Leave this fellow. You got AD minus BC. What is the answer?
So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2.
2. X2 means what? Leave this fellow.
So 1 minus 0.
But the thing is, x2 on head you can write minus x2. If you take this for that minus will exist. In your lower standard, 10th standard, what you will standard? Y coefficient, constant, then x coefficient, again y coefficient you will get, automatically you will get that minus will exist. Here that's why I am taking directly, here I will write minus x2 here. Here I will write minus x2. Any problem? Leave x2 here. What you will get? Tell me.
1.
1 minus
1.
1.
So 1 minus 2.
This minus you don't forget it. Then x3 means what? Leave this x3. What you will get?
Minus 4.
Minus 2.
Minus 4.
Now, if it is cancel any one term, throughout you can cancel. 2 minus 1 minus 4. Is there any cancellation is there? Any cancellation is there? Common term is there?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
So we can multiply the whole thing by 4.
No multiplication. Common means you can remove, I am telling. Suppose 2, 8, 16 is what? Throughout you can 2 you can remove.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So nothing can be removed.
Any common means not there. So how I will write actually? Capital X1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 4. When lambda is equal to 1, eigenvectors is what? 2 minus 1 minus 4. Or you can write minus 2, 1, 4. Because each ratio is equal to nothing will happen.
Sir,
So can you repeat this again?
sir, in this can we also write x1 is equal to minus 2x2 and then we can put it in the equation?
That's what I am telling, sir. If you want, you can write minus 2, 1, 4. Also same. Or
Okay, sir.
2 minus 1 minus 4 also same. So that what you are doing, multiplying with throughout by minus 2. Minus.
Okay, sir.
Reaching or not? So you will get easy. Take any 2 different equations. X1 coefficient you can write. X2 coefficient you can write. X3 coefficient you can write. X1 means what? Leave X1 elements. Then x2 means what? Leave x2 elements. x3 means what? Leave x3 elements. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then, but down now we will write x1 by something minus here. Minus is important. Minus x2. Minus x2 by then x3. Suppose if there is any common means you can clearly remove. Otherwise, as is you can write.
Then sir, I will
Yeah.
write with in the matrix x1 like all the coefficients.
Yes, x1 is equal to in matrix in vertical you can write 2 minus 1
So
minus 4.
what like for x2 like will it be
X2 you
same
have to
matrix?
find out.
Okay.
This is one When lambda is equal to 1, this fellow is the eigenvector. Next, when lambda, second lambda is what? 3, yeah?
Minus, yeah, 3.
When lambda is equal to 3, you can find another eigenvector. When lambda is equal to -4, you can find another eigenvector.
So this matrix is for x1. So what for x2 and x3?
No. This x1, this x2 is capital X1. This is matrix name is capital 1. This fellow name is x1, x2, x3 like this.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Don't confuse that x1 and this x1. Matrix I am telling just x1. A minus lambda into x I am telling you, no. That
Yes,
x is
yes,
what?
yes.
Different x I will take. x2 is what? In x2 also will have x2, x1, x2, x3. Again, don't ask this x1 and that x1. Because we don't want to confuse too much. We don't give lot of names. x1, x2, x3 like this we are taking.
So
Reaching?
we'll find x2 and x3 now.
X2. This x1 is what? Matrix x1. In matrix x1, this fellow small x1, this small x2, small x3.
Yeah, 3 subdivisions in matrix.
Again you have to do that capital X is equal to how you will have actually vectors. After 2 days you will take this matrix. Orthonormal means for this I will take, some operation I will take. Just one by one step only I am going. I don't want to confuse too much. Correct?
Yes,
Don't
sir.
confuse this x1 and small x1. Okay, when lambda is equal to 1 means what? Just I am calling x1, otherwise you can call x only if you confuse. When lambda 1 is equal to x, you can call. Because eigenvector is this fellow. When lambda is equal to 4, eigenvector is different fellow. When lambda is equal to -4, eigenvector is different fellow. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
Yes, sir.
No problem, sir.
No problem, sir.
Now come on. Now lambda is equal to 1 power. Next eigenvalue is what? When lambda is equal to what?
3.
Next value is what?
3.
3. Right. If lambda is equal to 3, in equation A, only one equation I got A. There you can substitute in equation A lambda is equal to 3. What you are getting? Tell me.
-1, 2, 0.
Wait, coming. That is what 2 minus 3. Yeah? So don't confuse, no confusion. I am going directly.
-1. -1, 2, 0.
2 0.
2
Next.
minus 2, 1. 2
Ah,
minus 2, 1. 2 minus 2, 1.
1.
1. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, 1.
Third fellow.
Minus 4.
Minus 7 here.
-4, sir.
Yeah,
-7.
lambda I can give only diagonal element. Yeah.
-7, sir.
That element
-7,
don't
-7.
change. See, this element will change, this element will change, this element will change. A11 change, A22 change, A33 change. Remaining elements 3 same as is from matrix A. There is no change.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, -2, -7, 2, -6.
2.
2.
This fellow.
And
-6.
-6, sir.
-6.
My lambda is equal to 3. -3, -3, -6. Correct. Into. Now you can write. This x1 is different, this x1 is different. For this matrix, these are the x1, x2, x3. Now again frame equations. From looking this you can tell, there is no repetition actually. -1, 2, 0, 2, -2, 1. Okay, happy. Take any two equations we can play. From the matrix I can take. So from this what I will get, tell me? -x1 plus 2x2 equal to 0. 2x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Minus 7x1 plus 2x2 minus 6x3 is equal to 0. Again, same story. Take any two equations. I will choose first two because 1 0 is there,
Easiest.
So
1 0.
multiplication is easy
Done,
for
sir.
me. It's not a rule. If you want, you can take second and third. You can take 3 and 1 also. You will get the same values. No doubt. Reaching or not? Because sake of convenience, easily for attacking, I am taking 1 and 2. If you want, just verify, okay, it's telling lies, like, don't trust me blindly. Take 2 and 3 can solve, 1 and 3 can solve. Same we have to get. If you don't get, somewhere you made mistake.
Sir,
I
done.
am taking 1 and 2 because I don't want to do too much work and just I am doing. Correct? Huh? So, what I will take? 1 and 2 I will take. This I will write again story x1, x2, x3. This if you want to write in rough first. Online meetings.
किसी को आंसर आया क्या?
Yes,
हाँ, okay.
yes, tell me.
So answer is x2 equal to -2, 1 -2.
Wait, coming. Now, right. What I told x1, what will get x1, then minus x2 always can write x2 minus because if you take from second coefficient, you can write plus x2 in your school level you are done. But I am not done doing. Directly I am taking minus x2 x d. Now tell x1 is equal to what? 2
-2.
1.
-2. x1 by -2.
X1 by how will get minus 2? Sir, AD minus BC.
2. X1 by 2.
2, sir.
x2 2
X2 means what? Leave this fellow. AD minus BC. Minus 1 minus 0. X3 means what? Leave this fellow. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4
Minus
is
2,
what?
minus 2.
Minus 2.
2
Minus 2. This can I cancel actually?
Yes, sir.
Minus x2 minus 1 cancel. Now my x2 is equal to what? 2, 1,
2, 1 minus 2.
-2.
Yes, sir.
If lambda is equal to who? Who is the lambda?
3.
3. So, okay. When lambda is equal to 3, this is x2. Now last fellow is what? When lambda is equal to?
-4.
Come on, do. In substitute in A. Okay.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Done, sir. Lambda equals to
Wait. I'm coming. When lambda is equal to -4, what is A you can tell? Tell me now equation, tell me. Lambda equal to minus 4 in A. Whatever your equation matrices, tell me.
6 2 0
6 2 0
251
2 5 1
ah,
2
5 ah,
5 1
251
5 ah.
2
251.
251, sir.
Ah.
minus 7
2
2
1.
1.
That there is a what you are taking and copying.
Yes, sir.
Here also from this I can tell you. Okay, there is no same rule. If suppose sometimes 2 you will get same. That time you can do different 2 you can take. If 3 are same is what we cannot. That is different story. I will tell you next class how to attack. Now take first and two equation, 1 and 2 equations. What will you get? If you want, you can do this work in block actually.
Sir,
One
2
by
minus 6 and 26.
2 minus 6
1 by
26.
minus 6.
2 minus 6 and 26. Correct.
Yeah.
So 2 6 26.
2 minus 6,
2,
26.
6, and 26.
X2 is
2
what?
6
Minus 6.
6
6 6
6 6
2, 6, and 26.
6 and 26.
20?
26.
26.
20?
6
26, sir.
Now, from this, can you cancel 2 fully?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what will you get?
1
Sir,
3
1 3 13.
1 3 13. 1 3 13.
Yeah.
Minus 3,
13
30.
13.
Yes.
This is X3. Now we can do conclusion. When lambda is equal to 1, clear up to here, clear? Clear, sir?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When lambda is equal to 1, eigenvector is what? 2 minus 1 minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2 minus 1
Sir,
minus
2
4.
minus 1 minus 4.
2 minus 1 minus 4.
Last one is
Minus
4.
2 minus 1 minus 4 or minus 2 1 4. When lambda is equal to 3,
2, 1 and minus 2.
2.
1 and minus 2.
When lambda is equal to minus 4,
1 minus 3 and 13.
1 minus 3, 13.
1 minus 13, 6.
No, sir, 1 minus 3,
minus 3
3 and 13.
Yes, sir.
So this is the story of the eigenvectors. Then this, when you will go smoothly, when eigenvalues are not repeated, means happily you will get. If it is repeated, means highly impossible. You cannot get the eigenvalues. That is different story. Up to here, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy down up to here. Copied all of you.
Yes, sir.
Copied, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. You got next 71. 71.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
That is 201 series, I think so. 72.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
74,
Present.
75. 75. 76. 76. 77.
Present, sir.
78.
Present, sir.
79.
Present, sir.
80.
Present, sir.
81. 82.
Present, sir.
83.
Present, sir.
84. 85.
Present, sir.
85 present. 86. 87.
Present, sir.
88.
Present, sir.
89. 89 absent. 90. 89 present. 90.
90 present, sir.
91.
Present, sir.
92. Absent. 93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
95.
Present, sir.
96.
Present, sir.
You are 95 again, you are telling me. 96 also.
96 present, sir.
Okay. 97.
Present, sir.
98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
100. Absent. 101.
Present, sir.
102. 103.
Present, present. Present, sir. Present, sir. 102 present.
102 present. 104.
103 present.
104.
Sir, 103 present.
Okay. 104. Absent. 105. 106.
Present, sir. 106.
7. 107. I think so 107 is last number. Then 5401 series. 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir. Utkarsh.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir. Yes.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 21,
He's here,
21. Huh?
Sir, he's here. His mic isn't working.
21.
Yes, sir.
What is his name?
Navneet.
No, 21 is not 21.
Oh, my
What?
bad. Sorry. My bad.
21 is absent. I think it's discontinued. 22. Yes. 23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Sir.
The last number is what?
Sir.
Yes. Tell me. 26, huh?
Last place, sir.
27, 28. What is the last number? 30. Wait. Last number is 27. Okay. Okay, sir, you can leave.
Sir,
27
Okay,
is
sir,
there
thank
or
you.
not? Yes, tell me.
So can we just leave?
Can you?
Can we leave?
Oh, you can leave. Options are 75, 76, 81, 84, 86, 92, 100, 104, 105, 107, 21.
excuse me, sir.
There's 75 present, sir.
75%. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, this is actually my first class, so I don't know my roll number yet.
What is your roll number? Is there present? What is your name?
Sir, Devyansh.
Hey, there, see. The roll number is there. Wait. I will tell you. Your roll number is 105.
Okay, sir. Present.
105. Good. You
Okay,
didn't get ID? Then how you are joined actually? This mail only joined, you know. Mail itself, the number will be there, you see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
then leave, sir, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Sir,
you, sir.
89 is also present.
What?
89 is also present.
80?
9.
Yeah, present.